My name is Rupsikha and I am proud Realite. I have been associated with Real Academy since the past year and I have scored 95.60% in my 10th. I have also secured second rank in Guardian School. I scored 95.60% in 10th standard and it is all credit goes to Real Academy and of course my teacher. Real Academy has kept me motivated throughout the times. They have conducted of various fun activities such as debates and PowerPoint presentation which have included me and helped me raise my self-esteem, and also the staff of Real Academy are very helpful. Whenever I had doubts, the teachers were always eager to help me. I never felt the need to wait for the teachers to assist me. Whenever I was in need of them, they were there. One thing that I kept in mind throughout the year was consistency. I made sure that whenever I went to home after the school and tuitions, I made sure to keep at least an hour for myself to focus on my weakness and my strength. I also made sure that I completed a few tasks and assignments given by the teachers. I made sure that these time I focus on my weaknesses and my strengths so that I can assess them and know them better. I also went through a lot of previous year question papers and these greatly helped me improve my way of answering the questions and also made sure that I was able to understand the concept properly. I also want to thank the real staff and my teachers for always supporting me and helping me throughout the year and making sure that my effort was consistent. Last but not least, my parents are the people I want to thank for believing in me and ensuring that I receive the best education. Thank you.